Welcome back to Primetime News. A special welcome to those watching on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, President of the Cornwall Bar Association, Lambert Johnson, is appealing to the government to review the release process for persons detained under the states of emergency. In a recent interview with TVJ News, Mr. Johnson said there are several detainees under the SOE who have been ordered released but are still being held in police custody.
And I know of two persons in particular who went to the Westmoreland Circuit Court, which is the High Court. They were granted bail by the High Court judge. And the day they were to be released, having been in custody for 18 months, the police come and say, we have information, so you're now going to be held under the state of emergency. That strikes me as being an attempt to divest the court of its proper authority.
He said while the task force under the SOE has been working to ensure swift justice for the detainees, there are still some challenges.
While we're always confident of victory, the way this SOE protocol is set up, even if the tribunal recommends to the minister that persons should be released, the minister has the authority not to accept the recommendation. You are building monsters by taking innocent young men off the street just because they might have a certain appearance. They might be of a bleached, or they might wear their pants at a certain height in relation to their waist. They are taken to custody and they are held for long periods, and then resentment builds up. And so that is one aspect I would really like the government to examine.